Shazad, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah? What are you doing, Baba? You're eating. Put here. Hey. Hello, great people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elina Midikira. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So in today's video, we're just going to do some laundry and then we make dinner with you guys. So this is just my son. He woke up and he was so hungry, he decided to take chapo and eat by himself. And we are washing Shazad clothes, and this is my sister-in-law just helping me to wash. That day she decided to help me to wash those, and then I'll be washing the rest the next day.
Yeah, he's living the dream, but he's just as lost as you and me. All the pretty girls I meet.
So guys, there are two YouTubers I would love you to go and check them out. One of them is Learn with Flo. She is a mother of two and she does videos about hacks, cleaning hacks, cooking hacks, and she has a lot of videos about breakfast ideas, mostly for kids. She is very good at that. Go and check her out. And then the other one is Sophia the life coach. Just as the name says, she does videos about life, finance, savings, everything with life. Just go and check her out. She's so motivating. Yeah.
We don't care.
So guys, this is later that day. She had already finished washing and hanging the clothes, and then we saw that the rain decided it was going to rain that day. So we decided to unhang the clothes because they were almost dry. So we decided to unhang them and hang them when the rain is over. So what do you do? What do you do when your clothes are not yet dry and it's about to rain? Do you leave them outside to be rained on, or do you unhang them and hang them back when the rain is done? Tell me in the comment section below.
Find my place, not a space or anywhere.
So guys, we rushed to remove our clothes and then this happened. You see the way it's sunny. There was no rain even. So guys, here we have our fish and it's deep fried. Now let's make it for dinner.
We smoke the same weed, but we don't look the same, no. And we get dressed up, but we're going nowhere. I'm a lost girl, I don't care, yeah. My friend's in a famous band, yeah, he's living the dream, but he's just as lost as you and me. All the the pretty girls I meet who are dumb rich like the queen. Yeah, they're oh so lost like you and me. A quiet street, suburbia. I'll find my place in outer space, or anywhere but here. All my friends are aliens. We smoke the same weed, but we don't look the same, no. And we get dressed up.
So guys, on my fish I'll just be doing the onions until they're golden brown. Most of the times my onions are always overdone, they're always burnt, so I add some tomatoes, and then I'll be adding salt taste, Rico cubes, and then cumin and coriander powder, and that's it. That's all the spices I use. So continue watching guys, but as I cook here fish, I'll be making skuma wiki and spinach from here. Skuma wiki is scales, so it's mixed with spinach. That's what I'll be making on this other side, then with ugali. Yep.
All my friends are aliens. We smoke the same weed, but we don't look the same, no. And we get dressed up, but we're going nowhere. And we're so lost, but we don't care. We don't care. A quiet street, suburbia. I'll find my place in outer space, or anywhere. If you're happy here, then stay. If you wanna leave, then leave with me.
So at this point I'm going to add in a bit of water, a lot of water, and then let it simmer for some minutes. Then I'll add in my fish, and that's it.
Don't care, yeah. My friend's in a famous band. Yeah, he's living the dream, but he's just as lost as you and me. All the pretty girls I meet who are dumb rich like the queen. Yeah, they're oh so lost like you and me. A quiet street, suburbia. I'll find my place in outer space, or anywhere but here.
Now adding inside my fish, and I realized I need to visit Kamukunji and get a bigger pan, because my pan is too small to fit all of this. But I'll try my best and fix all of them there inside.
We don't care. I'm from a place you see on screen, where the dreamers dare to dream.
Our food is ready. You can accompany this with rice or whatever you want. Mine I'm eating with ugali, So this is ours served here, and for my kid I served separately because of the bones. Yeah, so that's it guys. Until next time, bye bye.